Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Glaze today. This is my test palette for Glaze. You can see the colors I have to work with are orange, blue, red, yellow, and purple. And we want to keep them separated on the actual piece when we go to Glaze. So I wanted to show you the colors, and you're also going to notice that after you glaze, they're going to be nice and shiny, almost like a colored glass, because that's basically what it is. So glaze is different than paint. Glaze actually has like these tiny glass crystals, and they react with the heat in the kiln, and it creates this glossy, glassy color for your piece. And it's different from paint because it doesn't wash away once it's in the kiln, once it's fired in the kiln. So when you actually paint the glaze today, you're going to notice that the color is not shiny just yet. It'll look something like this. You see the side of that ear is kind of a matte color, but the blue, when it's out of the kiln, is nice and shiny and dark. So that's kind of what happens. It's just made to be kind of a matte color. You can see the other colors too, the red and the yellow. They're more of a matte color. They're not glossy just yet. It has to have that chemical reaction from the heat inside the kiln. When they're all done, when your pots and your pieces are all finished, they'll be waterproof, and you can see by, let me take this away, you guys can see this example. I'll move the camera a little bit for you. You can see this is all nice and glossy and looks like glass, and you can actually hold water inside that cup, and you never want to glaze that bottom because it'll stick to the kiln shelf. So that's a little bit on Glaze.